Hi kids, good morning and welcome back to our online class. My name is Teacher Karen and I am your English teacher. All right, so for this week, we will study about animals. All right, please repeat after me and say animals. Okay, look, the pictures. You can see there different kinds of animals. Okay, everyone, are you ready? Yes, we are. All right, let's begin. Let's start by the word animals. Spell it with me, please. A, N, I, M, A, L, S. Animals. Great job. Okay, number one, we have dog. Dog. Spell D-O-G. Dog. Next, cat. Cat. Spell the word C-A-T. Cat. Next, pig. Pig. Spell P-I-G. Pig. Great. Next, bird. Bird. Spell the word B-I-R-D. Bird. Next, monkey. Monkey. Let's spell M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. We have elephant. Elephant. Let's spell E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. All right. Next. Whoa, that's a tiger. Everybody say tiger. Spell T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Next, lion. Lion. Spell L-I-O-N. Lion. Next, zebra. Zebra. Spell the word Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Okay, next one, horse. Horse. Spell the word H-O-R-S-E. Horse. And then we have duck. Duck. Let's spell D-U-C-K. Duck. And then goat. Goat. Let's spell the word G-O-A-T. Goat. Okay, very good, class. So those are the list of animals we have for this week. Now let's have our activity. Everyone, are you ready? Yes, we are. Okay, we have a game and we call it a shadow game. Okay, so you guessed the animal based on the shadow. All right, let's begin. Look, what animal is it? What? You answered elephant. That's right. Everyone say it. It is an elephant. Good. Next. What animal is it? What? A cat. Very good. So we say it is a cat. Great job. Next one. What animal is it? Lion. Very good. It is a lion. All right. And then what animal is it? Bird. Great. You say it is a bird. All right. And then what animal is it? A pig. Great. And we say it is a pig. Okay, very good, class. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our live class. Bye.